So I'm gonna get this and have a it's in here. Apple cinnamon. Where's the apple cinnamon? Apple cinnamon. Wild berries, not this. I don't want that. I think it's okay, this one. Yeah, I think I just get this. And here. Let's put this one in here. I got another free in here like this. I'm gonna collect them. Let's get 2 of these for free. What's up, you guys? Welcome back into my YouTube channel. So today we went to Walmart to pick up some things, and I have this coupon from my Sunday Insert Smart Source. So I get those Airwick essential oil, and I have a cashback from Ibotta. So Ibotta is a cashback app that you need to download and then start looking for the product that you need if you want this kind of product, and there is cashback in it, and you can get those and get your money back, because sometimes Ibotta will offer you a free food and then free items, and there's a lot of product that you can get and cashback from Ibotta. So I get the Airwick for $4.88. So I have a 125 off coupon from Smart Source. So the Airwick will bring me down, my discounted Airwick will bring down to $3.63. Plus, I have $1.75 cashback from Ibotta. So that means the 2 Airwick right there, one pack of Airwick is gonna be $1.88. And then I have this Airwick warmer for free. Yes, guys, I love to pick up Airwick for free. Airwick warmer for free. So I've been saving a lot of Airwick warmer, because sometimes it's free, sometimes it's not. So when it's not free, I'm not gonna go to any store and pick up of those, because I'm waiting for the free coupon to come. So I think if you guys wanna download the Ibotta, I am gonna insert my my code in there so you can use it, and also I am gonna put into my description down below for you guys to check on my Ibotta code, and also Fetch Rewards. So Fetch Rewards is a different app also, but you can always use those for your receipt and then get a gift card from it. So I've been using Fetch Reward, but I use my gift card to use a Target. So this one, I get a lot of cashback is from Walmart. I love Walmart. Everything that you could find is in Walmart, and then there's a lot of cashback also. So if you wanna download the app, let's go ahead and check my description down below so you guys can download the app, and then you can use the code, and voila, you have your own cashback. So that's it, guys, and thank you for watching. dog food. We need to get dog food and my airwick. So nice. Oh, Mrs. Santa Claus. Oh no. So we're gonna Merry Christmas, guys. Ganda bakla.
Yeah, I need my phone.
Oh, then you need your key. So, oh my god. We're here at Lowe's and oh wow, that is real nice. So let's see how much is the wheat in here. Holy guacamole. Guys, I think it's so expensive. Oh, it's $49. It's right here. $49.90. It's $50. Holy cow. I love Christmas. Do you guys love Christmas? I mean, oh, Christmas tree. No, I already have my Christmas tree. Yep. Oh, this is so freaking cute. That is so cute. Wow. $80. So what's in here? This is cactus. Okay, I want to see how much their cactus are. So their cactus is $13 for this. 19. It's kind of expensive here. You guys. Oh, this one is real. Oh, that is super cute. You can put ornaments in here. Oh, this is so cute, right? Oh my God. Wait, what? This is $50? This. Oh, this is a beautiful swan in there. Oh, I can easily make this. Looks fancy though. Oh, that is so cute. That's super cute. Let's see. Plastic. Go. So what's in here? Wait. Ganda, no? So this is really easy to make. I make mine before. This one. Is this real? No, it's fake. Uy, bakla. 1.5, 1.6 na lang, oh. Ganda na. Bongga. Diba? It says Cold Saver from LG. So, ganito siya. Tapos, pipindutin mo siya dito, bakla. Oh, diba? Wag ka. Bongga. Tignan natin dito. Oh, nagsisortan ko siya naman. Asan na yung asawa ko? Andun. Nawala. Is it matching?
No. Just starting out soon. How much rent?
So guys,
Big gray on the wall. That are really nice.
so nandito kami sa Lowe's. Maghahanap kami ng ng pintura. Tapos
I think it's antique.
antique.
I think that's it right there.
Let me see. White ball spar.
No, that's too white.
That is too white.
No, this is too dark. Yeah.
Ganda ng ilaw nila bakla.
Swiss coffee. Are you kidding me?
Shit.